Galing kay Maki. Nakakatawa to, ha?
Thank you. Thank you, Maki. Are you ready?
Are you ready? Let's go.
1, 2, 3.
Good evening, Wishes!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What's up, Wishes?
Okay. Ito, iba naman.
Okay, go.
What's up, Araneta? Grabe.
It feels great to be with you, Christian.
Likewise.
Because tonight is the 10th. Konti palakpakan naman dyan.
10th year na namin!
The 10th Wish Music Awards, and it's a milestone year indeed.
It is, grabe. Reaching 10 years is not easy. It's not a walk in the park, ika nga nila. And yet, here we are with our wishers, all of the OPM fans. Nasaan ang OPM fans? And of course, our WMA nominees. Welcome.
Yes, and as early as now, syempre, I would like to congratulate every single nominee. Congratulations to you, because being recognized and nominated is a feat in itself.
Agreed.
At balita ko, Christian, talagang the competition is very tight this year, because for the 10 WMAs, we got over 70 acts across 19 major categories.
At ang gagaling nila lahat, talented lahat, at deserving lahat. Because 2024 was such a great year for OPM, really. We got P-Pop's continuous nomination. We got hip-hop artists. OPM bands are getting the love they deserve. Singer-songwriters releasing many great songs and collaborations we didn't know we needed. You name it, 2024 had it all.
Ay, di ko alam kung nag-agree sila. Do you agree that 2024 was an amazing year for music? Wishers! Ayan, nag-agree sila. And so tonight we're recognizing the best songs, Wishclusives, and of course, the artists themselves that stood out in the past year. And if like us, you can't wait to know who the winners are, so you gotta make some noise online and use the official hashtag 10th Wish Music Awards.
Ayan ha, ipatrend natin yan. 10th Wish Music Awards. And of course, we also have in attendance, ito, importante ito, the representatives of our pool of 10th WMA beneficiaries, because in case anyone here doesn't know it yet, ito ang pinakagusto ko dito. Every major award will donate 100,000 pesos to their chosen beneficiary.
Yes, palakpakan naman natin ang Wish.
Dito lang yun.
They're over there. Hello to all of you. And of course, to know more about this Wish advocacy, let's watch this. Good evening, Araneta! Maraming salamat po.
Our next category is celebrating collaborations. These are the very songs that highlight the creativity, talent, and versatility of our artists.
As well. Kanina, how was your orange carpet experience?
My orange carpet experience is good kasi last year, kahit nanalo yung Sponge Cola, absent yung asawa ko. So thank you for letting us ride in your car.
No problem.
Para tayong nasa school.
No problem.
Carpool tayo to the Wish
Gusto ko na sabihin,
Music Awards.
lotol, pero okay lang. Mabilis lang naman, wala naman masyado. Tapos, hindi ko makakalimutan experience kanina sa orange carpet na naglalakad ako. Si Arthur goes up to me, sabi ko, sir, nanonood ako ng Valorant streams mo. Parang, okay, kaya ako pala galing yung mag-Valorant. Nanonood na si Arthur. Okay, sige. Hindi ako masyado magaling. Kasi automatis. So, kinabahan ako ng very. But congratulations on your win as well.
Congratulations. And I just want to do a quick shout out to Jorel Espina. This is a Banig-inspired
It
dress.
is. Please, give some quarter turns, please.
Di na uso yung outfit check. Uso pa ba yun?
Well, I did
Fit
watch
check.
TikTok. Thank you na TikTok. Buhay pa rin sa Pilipinas.
Fit
Pero,
check.
nag-fit check ako
Nag-fit check ka.
sa
Maganda.
TikTok. Okay naman. Wala naman nag-unfollow sa akin.
Oo, hindi lang tayo dyan. Pero, nakakatuwa because not only is Philippine music rising, Philippine fashion, and of course a lot of us are supporting our favorite Filipino designer. So thank you once again, Jorel Espina.
And that's what also is showcased pag Wish Music Awards.
Yes.
Filipino designers, Filipino fashion,
Filipino artists.
Filipino artists.
Siyempre mga sining daw tayo, sabi ni Tayo Lawa.
That's right.
And Uncle mo, JR.
Pero Uncle, oh no!
Uncle JR! Oh my God!
Anong part 2 ng singing?
Ha?
Kung singing na part 1, ano part 2 ng singing?
Ano kaya ang part 2, no?
Meron trilogy yun.
I think may continuation
Singing,
pa
yan.
yan.
Di ba singing? Sinong, sinang, sino. Last na po yun.
Last na po yun, yes. Nag-joke
Tama
lang
na,
po siya.
tama na. For now, let's enjoy some more OPM goodness. Let's give it up for Rob Villar! Yung mga host pumunta dyan kasi natin may seats dyan eh.
Yes.
Pwede na sila pakantahin. Oh my God.
I love
Meron kayang
watching
time
the
kaya
acts.
ganun.
Kasi we get front row seats.
That's right, that's right.
Yes.
Okay. So anyway, naalala mo yung last year. Dito tayo last year, di ba?
Yes.
Nakita mo yung apoy. Grabe. Yung apoy, grabe. Lahat na talaga nilagay dito sa Araneta. That was flown.
The Wish Bus has been such an important platform to us artists because through it people can hear more artists perform live.
And speaking of the Wish Bus, over 10 years na rin na lumilibot ang Wish Bus. Ang gusto kong tanong talaga, saan ba nagpapagasolina ang Wish Bus? Gusto ko malaman. Catering to artists like us and bringing our music really, really closer to where the music lovers are.
Yes, and at this point in time, let's recognize some of the most viewed Wish Bus performances through the Wishclusive Elite Circle Award.
Today's is also co-presented by Pure Gold, always panalo.
And Medical Depot, your one-stop medical shop.
We'd also like to thank tonight's major and minor sponsors and partners.
Yes, thank you so much. Aqua Planet, water amazing experience.
Yakult every day, okay. Panalo ka dyan.
Cebu Pacific, let's fly everyone and discover the Philippines one by one.
BDO, just debit. Debit with BDO as you shop, dine, chill, and vibe anytime, anywhere.
Nagalingan mo ah. Try ka. EO Executive Optical. For expert eye care, come to EO Executive Optical. Love your eyes.
Dawa, bring goodness to life.
Shucks, ang galing mo. Pinapalakpakan ka talaga dito. Di ba? Ang
I love
galing
you.
mo siya. V.
Galing mo rin.
Ito na.
Ito na.
V, X, I. Be more, be limitless with VXI. Nakaka-conscious yung palakpakan.
Ito, tatry ko medyo French yun. Studio, Lumiere. A portrait booth.
Ulitin mo yan. A portrait booth.
A portrait booth.
I love it. And C-Square Telecom, your latest gadget on hand.
And alright, crowd check muna tayo before we proceed with the next part of the program. Kailangan malaman namin kung gano'ng kalakas ang iyong sigaw. What's up, Wishers?
Hindi pwede mapagod. One more time, Christian, in 1, 2, 3.
What's up, Wishers?
What's your favorite moment so far, Christian?
Yung sponsors. Yung ginawa namin.
Oh, kasi ka naman mga isa-isa.
Besides the sponsors, syempre yung mga performances
Yes.
na talagang dito lang natin makikita. Kasi minsan yung arrangement iba eh. Minsan dito mo lang talaga mapapanood.
Iba yung feel, lalo na pag nanalo ka, or di ba,
Also.
inspired ka.
Also, and talagang the camaraderie, camaraderie,
Correct.
na talagang pwedeng mabuo dito mismo. So, co-artists, mag-usap kayo, magkwentuhan kayo.
Yeah, because mali mo next year sila naman ang gumawa ng unexpected
Yes,
collaborations.
mag-collaborate kayo. Andiyan na rin yung mga label nyo, manager nyo. Mag-usap na kayo, mag-sign na kayo ng kontrata. Gawin nyo na lahat. Pero a friendly reminder that you can use our official hashtag 10th Wish Music Awards in your posts.
Once again, that's hashtag 10th Wish Music Awards. All right, now, as they say, the night is still so young, so let's keep the celebration going.
Our next set of awards honors two industry luminaries. One of these awards is
Mag-thank you siya sa'yo mamaya. Pero those were beautiful speeches. Kuya Ogie, I could see the senti in you. He loves OPM so much so that he is the...
Icon to another. Talagang every time I hear her voice, it really transports me to another dimension. Pero meron tayong mga quotable quotes.
Ah?
Yes!
Parinig?
Did you know? Now when she performs later, this will be her first performance on the WMA stage. Lead awardee is receiving a Platinum Award for her Wish Bus performance of Araw Gabi, na merong trivia dyan si Karel mamaya. Platinum is given to videos with at least 75 million views. So,
Platinum, 75 million. And of course, that is by National Artist for Music, Mr. Ryan Cayabyab. May ninong, hi ninong, shout out. It's his love song for his beautiful wife. Grabe naman talaga yung mga love letter para sa mga asawa, di ba?
Love letter para sa asawa.
Kaya Edgar, sulatan mo naman ako ng bagong song.
So, kikita ka pa ng royalty. Oh my goodness! Grabe, such a good deal. Pero also, si Regine Velasquez, of course, every time she just goes on any sets.
Is that her next concert?
It is!
Yes, of course, Regine Velasquez Alcacid will be having a Valentine's Day concert at the Samson Performing Arts Theater, and it's called Reset. Grabe, I've seen her on stage at the Samsung, and grabe yung sound. I also watched you there at Samsung.
Thank you.
Yes, so parang she is so excellent. Of course, directed by Direk Pao Valenciano.
That's right. She also sang a song with me sa album ko Before Romance Revisited, My Girl, My Woman, My Friend. Pero of course, di natin makakalimutan yung duet niya with Sir Joe, Sir GMC, which is Please Be Careful.
Please Be Careful with My Heart.
Heart.
Classic na classic.
Grabe.
Sana more songs like that. Ito naman, WMAs, we can treat it like a concert in a way because...
Congratulations to the rest of our Wish Inclusive category awardees. Ang gagaling nila lahat, ang gaganda ng mga kanta, ang hirap.
Yes, ang higpit ng laban. Ano?
Oo.
But that just means there's a lot of great music out there.
Sobrang dami. At pag nakikita mo nga sila, yun nga, parang they support each other.
Yes.
Natutuwa sila para sa isa't isa. At talagang nakakatuwa. It's such a great night for OPM talaga.
Ito na, from recognizing the best performances on the Wish Bus, let's now witness yet another stellar performance here at the Big Dome.
Grabe to. So, nag-guest siya sa All Out Sundays. And then, nag-promote siya ng concert.
Nakakatawa na. Minsan may mga ganung moment eh. Parang ang lakas-lakas nung pakiramdam ng kumakanta, which is of course TJ. And, di ba, parang na-inspire ka sa sarili mo na parang tonight's the night.
Oy! Nangyari na ba sa inyo yun? Nangyari na ba sa inyo yun? Parang tonight's the night because of a song?
I think tonight's the night.
Parang, okay, sige. Huwag mo na tayo muna sa kung ano.
Nakakatuwa. I mean, I love love. And of course, syempre, kung may DJ Monterde.
Tama, ang ganda nun.
How about we hear from his palagi?
Ay,
Di ba, Wishers? Gusto niyo ba yun?
so listeners, are you ready for a supreme performance? Well, let's give it up for Daisy Tandina!
Na award?
Si Casey, mo lumabas na yung apoy eh.
Oo, okay. May trono siya.
Oo,
Ganyan.
grabe talaga. Talagang memorable yun. Ako rin parang kanina na-excite na ako kung ano yung magiging super special performance ulit. Mamaya, I'm sure it's gonna be mind-blowing. I'm sure it's gonna be historic again. Oh my goodness. Siyempre, alam ko kung sino. Siyempre,
Pinaghahandaan talaga nila yung mga performances. I saw that some people were even rehearsing yesterday. Pero well, last year, one of course, the highlights of the WMAs was that epic performance by Flo G. Andito ba kayo noon last year?
Grabe yun.
And na siguro sila.
Ay,
Kung nakuha nila yung poster.
Meron, oo.
Eh, syempre, ito na yung last kailangan. Pasabog.
Oo. Memorable, historic, pasabog. And it just really culminates a wonderful, wonderful evening filled with lots of love, filled with lots of support for each other, for music, for charity, which also means love. Charity means love also.
Yes.
It does.
Dugtong-dugtong yan. And of course, my most embarrassing moment na nagrap ako dito sa Araneta
Alam mo,
Coliseum.
hindi natin natuloy yun. Hindi natin natin natapos yun. Pwede pa natin.
Wag magre sirain.
Kasi si Elo for support.
Pero natuwa ako kanina na, di ba, wala kayong lahat sa lolo ko. Wala.
Totoo naman.
Idudugtong natin yan someday at ipo-perform ko dapat.
Or i-release
sa
natin
Wish
yan sa Wish Box.
Box.
Isulat na yan.
That's my homework.
Biro mo isulat
For
na yan.
next week.
Tapos nanalo this year, mag-host. Sana tayo rin
Dito,
next year, no?
diba? Sana.
Tapos nag-host, tapos i-announce mo ang sarili mo, ito yung nanalo. Wow! History.
Wow! Iba. Pero eto na nga, breaking through the scene and making an impact in 2024, they are almost ready to take the WMA stage. Pero dapat talagang i-ready nyo ng mga cellphone nyo para pwede din lang ilagay sa Action Bautista. Pwede din ilagay sa Instagram, sa FB, sa TikTok, on Sunman. And of course, use the hashtag 10 Wish Music Award.
Oh, I think we're ready.
Yeah, they're now ready to take the WMA stage. Debuting a brand new song. Let's give it up for Diwata and
Justin!